Hi, Shelly. Hi, AE. Lang, ang dami nyo na. Sunod-sunod na. I'm just chilling right now. So I have nothing to do. You guys are so madami. Damn, thank you for the gift. Hi, Chapitoki. Thank you for the rose. Tapos lang din ng worship namin, so yeah. I'm just chilling. Thank you for the ice cream, Talia. Thank you for the rose kiniling. Thank you for the... Oh, damn. Ang dami nyo. Thank you for the gift, Ellen. Malapit naman na yung episode. Ano episode na tayo? Episode 5, no? Thank you, GGGG. Thank you, Hazel. Malapit naman na. It's already... What day is it? What day is it? Gosh, what day is it? Ano nga? Tuesday. Tuesday, Friday. 3 days na lang. Oh. There will be episode 5 na. I can't accept invites right now. Thank you for the gift, guys. May taping, no? Rehearsal. Rehearsal. What would Keegan Watson will be? I don't know. I'm just Keegan. Thank you for... I love this filter. I love that filter. Thank you, Solan. Thank you for the roses. Pasensya na medyo shy type ako. Hindi ako sanay mag-live in public. Hindi ako sanay gumawa ng video sa public. So... Yeah. Kasi don't mind my voice being mahina. I'm really shy. Daming tao. Wala bang teaser? Wala pa eh. 3 days na lang oh. 3 days na lang. Episode 5 is coming. Thank you for the gift, guys. Kasama ko ba ang say no, mag-isa lang ako dito. Nakauwi na sila. Nakauwi na silang lahat. Ako lang mag-isa dito. May half ka ba? I'm half Italian-Irish. Thank you for the gift, Zafi. Thank you, Pinkin. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Mitaraya. Jaffer or Jerry? Pwede bang both? Di rin ako makapag-decide eh. Depende sa edit ng video. Ayan. Depende sa edit. Wala akong magawa kaya nakatambay muna ako sa high grounds. Just chilling. Just chilling. Kayo po ba ni Ate Justin? No, we're friends. We're friends. Guys, wala akong girlfriend. Wala akong nililigawan. I am totally single. Justin. Sino pa ba? Kung sinong kasama ko sa video. Si Miyuki. No, we're all friends. Okay? I am single. Super single. So, yeah. Wala akong nililigawan, wala akong partner, wala rin akong love team. Ayun. Thank you, Ali. Thank you for the roses. Bakit? Kasi I wanna focus on work. I don't wanna have any partner muna. I wanna focus making money, you know? I want money. Who hates money? Diba? Sino may ayaw sa pera? Ano yun? Wala akong nililigawan, wala akong partner, wala rin akong love team. I'm just chilling. Okay? I'm just chilling. Right now, I want more money than more love. Love can wait. Money don't. Money don't. Diba? Ang love, makakapaghintay yan. You can get love sa right time, right places, right person. Ang money, once in a lifetime lang yan. So, kailangan, ano yun na, diba? Kailangan ipunin mo, kailangan mong gamitin. Everyone loves money. Yung love na yan, you can get it anytime. May ano yan. Hindi yan hinahanap, hindi yan Hindi siya hinahanap, hindi siya tinitema sa edad. Love will come. Unexpectedly. Diba? Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-rush. Hindi mo siya pwedeng... Wait. Nakalimutan ko sasabihin ko. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-rush and hindi mo rin siya pwedeng hanapin. Darating yan. Kung sa'yo, para sa'yo. Ang pera, para sa'yo talaga yan. Okay? Yung pera, kailangan ng lahat yan. Walang right timing sa pera. Kailangan inahabol ang pera. I can't sing. I'm in public. I'm shy. Okay? I may be very extrovert, pero in person, mahihayin akong tao. Ewan ko nga bakit kung kinakaya maging active sa social media, sa camera, sa acting. You know? Pero in person, I'm really shy. Kailangan kong pag-ipunan yung energy ko just to talk to someone. Mahihain akong tao. Makapal lang mukha ko pag nasa bahay or with people I love. Pagsama ko yung mga friends ko, syempre sinong mahihiya, di ba? Overall, I'm just a regular guy na walang social skills. Medyo mahina yung social skills, you know? I'm still working on it. Darating din tayo dyan. Money can't buy happiness. Oh, I'll be spoiling myself with money. Food can make me happy. How can you get food? You need money. Money can make you happy. Right? Money can make you happy. You eat food. You buy things you love. You get to go around. Money. Money, money, money. I love foods. Who hate foods, diba? Hindi ka naman mabubuhay ng love. I mean, it's good to have someone na magsusupport and mag-aalaga sa'yo, di ba? Pero hindi ka mapapakain yan. Money is everything. Food, clothes, place, money. What headset? It's Marshall. What's my favorite food? It will be carbonara. I love carbonara. Tsaka na kayo, ito. You can choose love over money. Kasi loving someone involved din dyan yung mga financial di ba? Paano kayo magde-date? Paano kayo magmi-meet up without money? Di ba? So if you're gonna love someone, make sure na may money ka or na-spoil mo na yung sarili mo. Or you can maintain this person. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na kahit mag late night walk lang kayo, kahit sa bahay-bahay lang kayo. No, it doesn't work like that. How will you buy her gifts? Pag birthday niya. Paano kayo magagala? Paano kayo magde-date? Paano kayo magka-quality time outside? You can't. You have no money. Money is everything. I mean, you can't buy love. Pero you can maintain love with money. Money. Top. That's from Calvin Klein. Thank you for the gift, guys. Ayan, may pera na ako. Money, money. That's money right there. That's money right there. Love can be everything, but love cannot make you live. You know? Love is important. Money too. Diba? Let's enter reality. That's reality. You wanna treat your girl or your guy as a princess or a king? Darating tayo sa point na kailangan natin sila i-spoil. Not totally spoil, like i-spend na lang tayo agad-agad, no? Masarap kayang kumain with someone. Yun na naman kasi talaga. We can do anything about it. It's not a movie. Diba? Wala tayo sa show. And love cannot always make you happy. Love is everything. Sabi nyo nga, diba? Love is everything. Yes. Comes with happiness, anger, pain, stress, and comfort. That's love. Involve yan lahat sa love. Lahat yan involve sa love. So love cannot always make you happy. Who did your hair? I did my hair. Happy birthday sa may mga birthday today, okay? I cannot read all of it kasi ang dami nyo. But yeah. My hair looks good. Thank you. Ano lang yan, ginamit ko lang yung hair ko. Ay, yung shades ko. And then, ginanyan ko lang siya. The whole practice. And then yung tinanggal ko, nagkaayos na siya. So, spray ko na. That's what I did. I did not use any blower today. Magaling ako kumanta sa CR. Yun lang. Or when I'm alone. Oh, that's nice. Lumabas yung astigmatism ng cellphone ko bigla. Lumabas bigla yung astigmatism ng phone ko. Open nila yung lights. Ayun o. Nagsilabasan na. Basta Ike, it's very tiring. Ano ideal type ko? Someone who has hygiene and someone independent. Someone who's patient. Someone who's genuine. And someone clingy. That's my ideal type. Someone understanding and where am I? I'm in QC. Oh shit. I have to go now, guys. Nasa 10% ako ngayon, wala akong dalang charger and power bank. I have to save my battery. I'll see you guys around, okay? Bye-bye. Love you all.